Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify language fluency with Pimsleur easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your language fluency using Pimsleur, start by choosing the appropriate language program that matches your current level. Access the Pimsleur app or website and log into your account. Navigate to the course selection area and select the language you are. Once you've chosen a language, choose a lesson that reflects your current fluency level. Listen carefully to the audio instructions provided in the lesson. Take notes on any unfamiliar words or phrases for later review. As you progress through the audio, respond to the prompts as instructed. Speak clearly and at a natural pace, aiming to mimic the native speaker's pronunciation and intonation. After completing the exercise, replay sections that were challenging to reinforce your understanding. Use the review function within the app to revisit key phrases and vocabulary from the lesson. Consider recording your responses to track your pronunciation and fluency over time. Regularly assess yourself by selecting lessons from various levels to measure improvement. Engage with supplementary materials available in the app for a more comprehensive understanding. After a few weeks, revisit earlier lessons to determine if you can recall the material more easily. Continuously practice speaking with others or through language exchange platforms to enhance fluency. Take notes on your progress in areas needing improvement to guide your future studies. With consistent practice, you will gain confidence in your language abilities using Pimsleur. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.